Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. Rubitstore is Nigeria's #1 online beauty store where you can shop thousands of beauty products, and the best part is we ship both wholesale and retail worldwide. Today, we are going to be doing a review on Skin Rehab Injection White Booster Lotion. Skin Rehab Injection White Booster Lotion with alpha-arbutin plus L-glutathione. Azelaic acid contains a greasy formula that combines botanical extracts, which softens dry skin instantly. This body lotion repairs damaged skin and treats skin irregularities with 100% satisfaction. Skin Rehab Injection White Booster goes beyond whitening the skin. It effectively lightens the skin and removes blemishes, leaving the skin supple and radiant. How to use Skin Rehab Injection Lotion. After cleansing your skin with your bar soap, apply an appropriate amount of this cream onto body and massage gently into skin until fully absorbed. Thanks for watching, guys. You can follow us on Instagram at Rubitstore. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, leave a comment, and tell us what's on your mind. Don't forget to share this video also.